Happy holidays. Thanks so much for being excellent students this year. Let's bring that same awesome energy into the new year.
Hello everybody, my name is Roberto. I am a beginner instructor here at Salsa with Silvia, teaching absolute beginner salsa and bachata. And I just want to first start off by just saying 2022 has just been an amazing year. It's actually my first year teaching here at the studio there, so I'm almost at that 1 year anniversary, and I have to say it's been the most rewarding experience ever. The students have been giving me such great feedback, so I just want to make a shout out to all my students and say thank you so much. I hope that I've been able to leave something special with you guys, to be willing to get on that dance floor and break out those salsa moves. So I just want to say thank you again. And to Silvia, the whole team here at Salsa Silvia, it's just been so embracing and just welcoming. It's been the greatest experience ever. So 2023, let's start it out with bang. Please sign up for our classes starting soon, and I hope to see you guys on the dance floor and hope to see you at those classes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, guys. Take care.